A very warm good morning to my lovely audience. It's our anchor Reena. You're watching Expo Media English. Today I'm here to cover 14th International India's largest beauty and spa expo 2025. The event is happening in Bharat Mandapam, Pragati Maidan. The event dates are 5th and 6th May 2025. The timing is 10 am to 6 pm. The event is all about the cosmetic products, the skincare, the hair and the equipments. So do only one thing. Please register yourself if you wanted to visit the exhibition. The registration can be done online and offline both. If you want to register yourself online, you can just go to the official website of Beauty and Spa Expo 2025 and from there you can do the registration. So please visit if you wanted to become a makeup artist or you're planning to do something related to makeup or the cosmetics. Thank you so much.
The makeup have you done in your past 1 year experience? Do you want something like this makeup artist you really great? I want to do you have this kind of imagination? Yeah, lots of people do have.
Hi everyone, this is Reena. With me, Miss Apurva is here and she's from Tradition Tattoo Supply. I just wanted to know from you what exactly this TTS is all about.
It's basically a tattoo supply company. We started with tattoo products. It's a 12 years old company. And now we have added semi-permanent makeup products. We have added Botox, fillers.
Okay.
And we have semi-facials kits as well.
Okay.
So you can find that range with us.
Okay. So what are the charges for the makeup products, the semi-makeup products?
See, it depends which brand you are focusing and where is the product coming from. Like if you are taking the Korean products, the facial kits are divided into different sectors.
Okay.
That you need a Korean glass facial or you need the BB Glow kit.
Okay.
So prices vary according to that.
Oh, that's great. So this is going on very trend right now. That people are going for the permanent lipstick or the permanent cheek tint or the permanent eyeshadow. So which one is the most trending right now as per you and as per the TTS?
It's eyeliner.
Okay.
Permanent eyeliner. People are preferring that more.
And what about the lipstick one? I guess this one.
Lipstick, most people are, earlier it was in trend,
Yeah.
but now it's going a little low because like people don't care a lot, and the weather of Delhi, you know how it's like.
Exactly.
So eyeliner is going in trend right now.
Lashes one also.
Eyelashes also going in trend, but we don't have products for eyelashes, like we don't sell for that. So eyeliner is going in trend.
Okay, what are the new launch products of TTS?
The new launch products are hair cocktails, the Miso hair cocktails, which is helping in hair thinning and hair fall.
Okay.
People can do it at their home as well,
Okay.
and they can use contact the dermat as well.
Okay. So can you please show me the products of the like whatever you told me right now?
It's an Exosomes hair cocktail. It's an MCCM brand from Spain. So these are the cocktails, and you can use them with derma roller, or you can use them with Dr. Pen,
Okay.
the machine.
Okay.
And if you are using with a derma roller, you have to do once derma roller, apply this with a dropper, or you can do with a syringe, and then again apply the derma roller.
How people can contact you, and are you dealing with B2B and B2C both or only B2B?
We are dealing both B2B and B2C. People can contact us on our mobile numbers. We have our Insta page as Traditional Tattoo Supply. We have our website, and we have our office at Pitampura.
Okay, that's great. Okay, the last question: how's the experience of beauty and spa right now? And the people who are not the part of beauty and spa, what exactly message you want to give to them?
People can come here, try once, have a look at our products, and we'll surely help them in whatever ways we can help.
Thank you so much for interacting with Expo Media. Swati and Palak is here. They both are the makeup artists. I just wanted to know from you people that how's the experience of beauty and spa? Is it worth it to attend as a makeup artist or not?
Yeah, it's worth it. And we came across many brands that are like really good. So our experience is very good.
Yeah, my experience also is very good. Or
Any, any tips you wanted to give to the makeup artist?
As a makeup artist, people like आजकल confident नहीं होते people as a freelancer. So I just want to say कि every successful makeup artist doesn't work as a salon owner.
राइट
As a
और जितना
freelancer
आप
also,
एक्सपीरियंस करोगे चीज़ों को उतनी नॉलेज मिलेगी. ऐसा नहीं है किसी मेकअप आर्टिस्ट ने यूज़ किया तो आप वो यूज़ कर लो. जितना आप खुद पे यूज़ करोगे दूसरों पे आप खुद पर्सनल
you have
टेस्ट
to
करोगे.
make your brand yourself.
यस
Any best corner of the beauty and spa right now?
बेस्ट कॉर्नर
We have explored
फ्लिका.
Flicka. We
Flicka,
met
with Atul
Atul
Chauhan.
Chauhan. That was a great.
यस
Okay. Any role model you have?
Role model.
वी आर.
That's
we are our
great.
own idols.
यस
That's great. That's great. Okay. Last question. Any message you wanted to give to the audience, those who are not the part of beauty and spa?
It's not. They can also explore it if they are missing it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, they
Through
should
our
explore
channel.
it.
Yeah, through your channel.
They
This is
should
Expo
come.
Media.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Swati and Palak, for interacting with us. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so
side, Reena, is Mr. Bhaskar and she's Mrs. Preeti and they're the director of the company. I just wanted to know from you people that how's the experience of beauty and spa this time and what are your new launch products?
As of now, experience is going great, and I hope so many people will come and they will visit us, and it's going to be a good experience.
Okay, what about the new launch products?
We have 3 launches which we are promoting here in the stall. One is our Silcoplast treatment, which is next generation nanoplastia, which is quite prevalent. But the thing which we have come up is the next generation for that, and that is Silcoplast. That's number 1, and number 2 is Power Booster Shots, which are for especially created for dry and frizzy hair with concoction of 16 essential oils. Yes.
Apart from this, what is your purpose to be the part of the beauty and spa?
Beauty and Spa is one of the oldest and largest beauty congregation where people from far and wide come, and lots of business meetings and deals they happen here. And we take this opportunity to take this this crowd in a positive way, and that is that I was telling you off camera also. I want to talk about 2 things here which we are doing here in this Beauty and Expo. One thing is, as we are first biotin hair color in India, so we have created a special conscious beauty event, and in that 200 plus influencers they are coming, and they will feel, experience and know more about our monopoly product, that is biotin hair color in India. And we are also very proud to say that we are official hair color partner as well for this beauty and spa.
That's great. Congratulations to you, ma'am and sir. Okay, so do you deal only
Yes, one thing more, because many brands are not doing this, so I have to tell you this thing here. We had this online competition going on with the name of Biotin Color Trophy, and in that more than 500 entries pan India were received. And now tomorrow we will be funneling it down to last final 10 finalists, and celebrity hair artist Mr. Naseem Salmani, he will be felicitating the winner, the Biotin Color influencer. Yes.
That's great.
So
Okay.
Yeah.
So my next question is that you deal only for B2B or B2C both?
Both. B2B and B2C both.
Okay. So what is your official website and the online platform?
Sure. The official website is Prods India. It spells like this: PROADS India.com, and our FB and Instagram handles are prods.india.
Oh, that's great. Okay, the last question, but not the least. Basically, that you deal only with the hair products only, right?
No. We recently we have ventured in skin segment also, and we are very proud to say this thing that earlier we had our import from England, Australia and China, but we are now made in India. We have our full 12,000 square feet manufacturing unit fully operational in Manesar.
That's great. So the last question from you, that what do you think about beauty? Like, describe a beauty in your own words.
What I think about beauty, if beauty is there, only then all the business can survive.
That's great. Okay, thank you so much, ma'am and sir.
Thank you so much.
experience of beauty and spa right now?
It's a beautiful experience. It's always a beautiful experience in Delhi because we get to know about more brands, more energy from the ladies, from you, from girls, right? Or if we get this kind of energy from the girls or this kind of power from the girls towards the beauty and spa, that's a beautiful thing about this expo.
And what about the crowd right now?
They are very energetic. You can see them. So because they are getting the wings, what I feel is like this beauty give you chance to stand on your feet, right? You're not depending on anyone else. That's the beauty of a thing, right? When a
Can
girl
you please describe a beauty in your own words?
beauty not comes in upside, it always comes from the soul, right? The beauty is always comes from your soul. How beautiful person you are, how beautiful speak, how beautifully you can speak to the people. That's the beauty, what I feel the real beauty is, right? And this is not because our brand Mary Joke, that's our brand based from Gujarat, and we are the product made in India, 100% made in India. That's the beauty of our product.
It's all about cosmetics only, right?
Yes, everything about the cosmetics, about nails, sponsors. We have three different brands: Dr. Rachel, Mary Joke, and Sponsor.
So we have already covered Dr. Rachel right now.
Hey, yes. So I'm the voice of the Dr. Rachel and Mary Joke. I'm the voice.
Even I have got the gifts also.
Hey, for sure, you will get more gifts for sure. Don't worry.
Oh, thank you. No, I have already got it, by the way. With me, Miss Shivani is here. She's representing Dr. Rachel brand. It's a great brand, and I think everyone is aware about it. I just wanted to know from you, ma'am, that what exactly brand is doing over here, what kind of product you are launching this time, and what are your message for the audience?
So we've participated in Beauty and Spa Expo earlier. This is the second time we are here.
Okay.
So we've had a great experience last time. So that is the main purpose. We are back again because we know it's going to be good. We are here to reach out to the purpose is to be here to reach out to the right audience because of course it's Delhi and Delhi has been amazing in terms of response. So we are here to launch. We've also launched new products. So Dr. Rachel is basically focused on promoting skincare which is made with 100% natural extracts. We are a Make in India brand. and we have about 350 plus variants, 30 plus categories in terms of facial kits, face wash. We have sunscreens and serums. Now newly we've launched like a Korean series. We have an entire glass skin range products in terms of facial kit, serum, nose strip. So just to get the proper glass glow that you have. Apart from that, we are also focused on skincare, about targeted concerns in terms of getting a solution for that. So we have recently launched a Pro Boost series, and we are the first one in India to launch a biocollagen sheet mask. And there are other more assets coming in. So yeah, that is the main reason we are here.
That's great. The crowd is too much, you know. Okay, so my next question to you is that what is the most popular product of your brand? Like everybody loves it and everybody wants that.
So there's always been like these top three, which is a detan scrub.
Very correct. I also use.
The other one is a charcoal nose strip, and the third one is the vitamin C serum. Go to for everybody. Nobody is going to miss that out. So yeah.
That's great. Thank you so much. Okay, the last question, like from the audience end, when the new launch product is going to be live in the market? Is it already?
So we have exclusively launched here just for the customers to try it on, because we are targeting B2C, B2B both.
Okay.
Few products are available on the website, and in the next 15 days we'll be launching throughout. Yes.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for interacting with Expo Media. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much, guys, for staying with us till the last. I hope you've enjoyed the complete exhibition and the expo, and you have seen that we have explored so many brands. And if you really like this video, so please like us, share to your loved ones, and subscribe to Expo Media English. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, expo.mediatv. Thank you so much, guys, for watching it.